So I'm gonna show you today how to do a 12 volt plug in Nissan NV200 because my existing plug, it doesn't have a constant power. So all I needed was just a 12 volt cable with a cigarette lighter and this little fuse tap. So we got the box open, which is right here, and I'm gonna show you how to do a tap and how to connect it. So these are the existing plugs, one in the front and one in the back. So these are the 12 volt cigarette lighters, but they only work with the key ignition. And this metal bar or that side up here, that works without the key. So I'm gonna tap it into right here in this slot, connect everything, and I'll show you how it's all done so you can have a constant power in your cigarette lighter. I have my tap installed and one end is touching the body of the car, and then I'm gonna test this. It's a little hard with one hand, but so hold on. I'm gonna test this and we're getting 12 volts. So now the key is out and I still have a 12 volts. It's got a fuse in there and everything is ready to go. So I just gotta connect my 12 volt outlet, find a ground. I'll probably do the ground right here on this plate, which seems to be a ground. I just gotta test it, and I'll maybe just put a screw in there or a bolt and ground it and connect my cigarette lighter to the cable, and that's it. That's an easy way to fix it. I tried to change that relay before because this relay is doing those two 12 volt outlets, but actually when I removed that relay, the car couldn't start. So that might be doing an ignition, could be doing a gas pump or something. So that didn't work. So I thought, you know what, I'm just not gonna mess up with the controls in the car, and that's the most simplest, easiest, and if you ever have to take it out, it's really easy to remove it. And that's it. So hope this helps, guys. If you liked the video and if it helped you, just give me a thumbs up. Thank you. I grounded into here, right there, and I extended this red wire and then it connects to here. I just have a simple banana plug. So my fuse is in, this one is extra fused, all nice and neat. Everything is here, and I don't have the keys right now, so let's see if that works. So I have my plug outlet, my keys are out, I have a plug outlet, and we'll see if the LED light comes on. There we go, it all works. Alright, so hope this helps.